This book is called Fun with Colors. It focuses on the color purple. Let's take a look at some of the things that are purple. There are a lot of flowers. All of these flowers are purple. This is a starfish. Starfish live in salt water like the ocean. This starfish has 5 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This starfish is purple. There are 3 marbles. Marbles are small balls made of glass. These marbles are purple. In this picture, there are grapes. There are different kinds of grapes. Grapes are a kind of fruit. There are green grapes, but there are also purple grapes. This picture shows beads. These are beads made out of wood. You can use beads to make a necklace. These beads are purple. These beads are different shapes. Some are round, some are square, but they are all purple in color. These 2 girls are wearing purple jackets. They are also wearing purple sunglasses.